Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to add a number of days to today's date in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we should be able to denote a number of days to be added to today and get that result in cell B2 right here. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So the first thing I would like to do in cell B2 is get today's date. So I'm going to type equals today with a left parenthesis and a right parenthesis and hit enter. And I can see that I'm returned with June 12th, 2024. And that is in fact today's date. So if I click back in B2 and click up here to the end of the today function and type a plus and then click on my number of days right here in cell A2 and hit enter, I can now see that I'm being returned with 6/22/2024, which is in fact 10 days from today. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So if I were to go into A2 right here and type a 14 and hit enter, I can see that I'm returned with 6/26/2024, which is 14 days from today. So I can put any number of days in A2 and have that added to today's date. Now we have a few other ways to add days to today's date out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.